guys cool with me recording?
Yeah.
Last night!
This is fantastic.
Thank you. See what I got for you guys. I'm gonna draw the young lady here first. Dear Lord, look at them hoops. Could be used as a rim for basketball. Oh yeah, look at that cute now. What are your names?
David.
Good to meet you, David. And what are your names? Christina.
Yeah, that's the same thing. What's his name?
I thought it was just 6 senses.
6 senses, huh?
The other one's creativity, right? It's not a sense.
No creativity.
I'm passing out some people for stealing my video real quick.
I feel.
Did you just say you're encouraging us?
Yeah, man. They didn't even put my hashtag on there. Nothing. They took out my watermark. I don't know how they did that.
Damn, that's some feisty shit right there.
They did their own watermark on it.
Trying to steal that credit.
Yeah.
That's fucked up, honestly. That's someone talent artwork that can't be stealing no one else's shit.
Oh, man.
I think she's nervous.
She's always wanted one. Now she's nervous.
Yeah, that's the way it is. That's the way the cookie crumbles.
What are you laughing? Yeah. I would draw you this woodpecker. It'd be awesome. God damn it.
He's trying to hold his alive, but he still got to.
Shut up, dude. You're not helping.
You're like, oh, har, har, hardy, har, har.
I'm trying not to cough. No, I'm like, hold on, have some joint, and I have an excuse. What are you laughing? No, I was supposed to think about it. Oh, shit.
Oh yeah, here we go, here we go.
Uh-oh. Hey, you ready for this?
We're ready.
Oh wait, that's not the
Right.
Oh, never mind.
You want this one? Oh, is that your good side? Okay, sorry. I'm like, oh, sorry. That's your good side. Wait a minute. My bad. So what's that, 80?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So you want to go for it, huh?
Let's do it.
You want to
Yeah.
make some memories?
Totally.
Yo,
You did say your creativity needed to be fed, so now it's time.
I mean, I'm a good challenge for creativity.
nice.
Thank you for showing me how to say those.
Well, we're not doing a theme. I was like, if we're doing a theme, I was going to spill the
You were gonna what?
If we were doing like a themed one, or not.
But you can still
Oh, the gun show. Here comes the gun show. Oh, here it comes.
Okay, so he lifts like annoyingly a lot. He's a gym. I am not. I only lift
And
4 times a
you're
week.
Olivia Newton-John.
Ready?
Huh?
Wait, we said color or black?
Yeah. Olivia Newton-John.
Black and white.
I like her.
Oh yeah. Sandy. Yeah.
Did she just pass?
Oh yeah, that part. That part.
Ah.
Yeah.
Lit. Thanks so much for trusting me with your face.